and today we're going to be using one of our lovely practice panels from our fourth quarter Elevate box designs. It's the Shadow Dizzy Geese panel, and it's our panel, or I guess we'll call it our block A that we're going to be focusing on today. But this is the panel that we're going to be using. So let me get my little middle one right there. So that's all I'm going to do. And so then as I'm spinning around, I just have those little reference points as I do my rotations. So I'm just going to go a little slower around that. And that way, again, it's not pulling and you don't get this like pulled stitch right there. Okay. Let's spin it around to this one. And that is that. Stop right there. And that is our echo. Looks good. That's our first echo with the 5.5. Clip that little thread that's sticking up right there. But there we go. All 4 done. Isn't that kind of cool? I love that. So what I was thinking we could do, oh, I'll have to fix that. I got a little loose thread over there. Pressed, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so this is what it looks like done. So I was thinking, all right, so that's what it looks like. I just decided I had a little bit of stuffing, so I just threw some stuffing in it to make it take the stuffing out, and it could be a table topper. But anyways, that's what it looks like. And I love this little design in the middle again. I like how that creates when you put multiple of those together.